Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis or our daily update. Actually, it's Monday. So before we go actually on the analysis, we have to know if we have any high impact news or economic news, because if you don't check that, you might be surprised when the market goes up or down. So let's check that first. Okay, today it's Monday. I see that there is nothing. I hope you can see that. We don't actually have anything here. Sorry, Tuesday, actually tomorrow, consumer confident. We have something, but not really that important. And on Wednesday, I see something about AUD or Australia CPI year to year. Not really that important, but it is important for AUD or Australia. But it's bit late, 3:30. So Canada GDP or also 2:30. I don't think maybe we have enough unless if we check around 4 o'clock we have job openings. This one it's mostly volatile, but not that much. On Thursday we have jobless unemployment claims, which actually comes every week. And on Friday, we have some very nice news. It's NFP, which we know very well that the market most of the time will be like seriously going crazy during NFP. So that for the news actually we done. So now we can go on our analysis. GBP JPY, what's really happening? Yes, you can easily see that the market is doing what? The market is still pushing to the upside. And where we are now, we see that we had a very nice resistance, and it seems like the market is about to do what? To push the upside. Do you see that? Do you see that now the market is trying to push the upside? So actually from there, we're supposed to have something like this. I think we're supposed to have a nice long position around that area, because that is actually a resistant area. So which means now it's our support area. Now the market is about to do what? To respect that and push to the upside. Plus, we know that we are actually on this uptrend. The market is actually pushing to the upside. So there is enough room for the market to keep going to the upside. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one, which is actually gold on 4 hours time frame. If you did not check my weekly analysis, just to see what might happen and what happened actually from last week and this week, go check my weekly analysis. It's still very fresh. Check that out. That might actually help you to understand what's really happening. So now we are actually on gold. What's really happening on gold? I think this is also straightforward. We saw before that, yes, the market was going up. Actually, this structure is way too visible actually on our daily time frame. So on 4 hours time frame, I just wanted to show you this, that there is a chance actually where we are now for the market to do what? To push the upside. So let's go closer there and try to see. Let's go closer there, try to see if maybe we can get something. If we go closer, you can easily see that, yes, the market where we are now, the market was respecting this area. We had a resistance pushing to the lower side, and the market has been respecting this resistance for quite some time now. But where we are now, there is a nice support on the bottom side. We have a very nice support on the bottom side, which makes the market to do what? To push the upside. But we will wait for the market and see if maybe the market will be breaking out or not. If the market doesn't really break this resistance, maybe the market will break this support and start to push the lower side. I'm saying maybe, but as this support is been on actually on a daily time frame, there is a chance for the market just to consolidate here where we are now before we see a push. So let me just go maybe on a daily time frame for you to see what I'm talking about. Maybe you will see that very clear. Do you see that? You can easily see that we have something like this, and now this. So there is a chance for the market to do what? To push to the upside. And if maybe you agree with me, don't forget to smash the subscribe button or like, share, you can like the video and you can also share the video. And the channel is growing very nice, guys. We actually, this year I'm expecting to reach 10K, and that is actually possible with you if you share the video, if you smash the subscribe button. So now we are actually on US30 Dow Jones. What's really happening on Dow Jones? Yes, the market is actually on the daily time frame. You can see we have a very long resistance on top here, and which shows us maybe the market might keep pushing lower, but it seems like the market is struggling to do that. Let's go closer there. Let's go closer. Let's go on 4 hours time frame. On 4 hours time frame, let's go there and try to see. So yeah, now we have something like this. You can see that resistance is not really that far, but along the way the market actually tried to create some consolidation move. That's what happens actually when the market doesn't really know what to do, but we know that we are actually on a downtrend. Then guess what? The market actually gave us another structure where we can just call it a continuation of this downtrend, and we had that very nice. Guess what? The market broke out of that and it's now pushing to the upside again. So it's a bit scary to say you can just buy, especially when you know that we are actually on a downtrend. So there is a chance again that the market might actually respect this resistance on top here. Do you see that? The market might reach this area as a resistance and bounce back again, or maybe we might see the market pushing up and reaching the resistance. So on this resistance, we don't know what will happen, if maybe the market will respect that, or maybe the market will break out. But what we saw actually on NASDAQ, it seems like things will be pushing to the upside for quite some time, so which is actually good. And if that is going to happen, it will be a very good idea for us to actually buy a US30, as it might actually follow what is happening on NASDAQ and S&P 500. I hope you see that. And please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So guess what? Now let's push to the next one, which is NASDAQ. You can see NASDAQ is actually still pushing to the upside. But with this type of a move, we can try to check this maybe on a daily time frame and try to see what's really happening. By the way, before we continue, don't forget that we still have that special for you guys, which is going to end in 2 to 3 days, month end actually, from $250 lifetime VIP signals to $50 actually, to $50. So this is actually limited for 3 days. Actually, we're going to cut this special, but you can see that you're saving $200 to be in the team, and it's lifetime, which means you pay once, then you just enjoy all these signals that you see here. So let me know. This is my WhatsApp. Or you can just use the link for my WhatsApp. Just talk to me if you want to be part of the team. For those who want to use Bitcoin, USDT, yes, we also accept that, but mostly people, they use actually PayPal and the other ones. So let's go back actually on NASDAQ. What's really happening? Back there, you saw that the market was doing what? Gave us like almost 2 years where the market was doing what? Was actually pushing to the upside. We had some very few reversal along the way, but you can see that the market was doing what? Was aggressively pushing to the upside. Guess what? Things changed, and then we started to have this downtrend almost the whole year actually, because if you check, it started from December 2021, and guess what? 2022 around December again. Actually, that is the full year of a downtrend. So what do you think? We might have another full year again of an uptrend where the market might be trying to do what? To push to the upside. That is possible. Maybe this year we're going to have some new highs. So we are actually halfway there. So it means the market might start to do something like that. Remember, the highest is around 16,000. So I think we just left with how many? Let's see, 2,000 points actually to reach 16,000. So which means we are actually very, very close. Very, very, very close. So it means there is enough chance for the market to do what? To keep pushing to the upside. Maybe things are getting back to normal. And guess what? Let's just go on a bit smaller time frame and see what's really happening. Let's go on that smaller time frame, which is 4 hours time frame. And around 2 o'clock, around 2:30, we're going to go on our live session. I wish you're gonna be there and just to see what it's happening in the market. I think maybe we're gonna have some few changes actually in the market. So, but remember, it's Monday. It's Monday. The market might actually be like move very, very slow. So here on NASDAQ, we can easily see that yes, the market is doing what? The market is what? The market is pushing actually to the upside. Do you see that? I hope you can see that. Yes, sometimes the trend might not be that perfect. Sometimes the trend can give you some fake moves. We had some few losses along the way. And guess what? Now the market is pushing to the upside. So now, can you jump on this this type of a market or this structure? Mostly it's going to be no, but what we can do just to understand this, we can easily see that we have like almost 3 candlesticks struggling to break that area. So there is a chance for the market to do what? Maybe to push lower before we see another push. But what we're going to do is we're just going to go actually on a bit smaller time frame just to see those candlesticks, because they might be giving us a clue there. So obviously I think we're going to have something like this, a resistance there. So for us to know if maybe it's time to do it, to buy or to sell. I think the market is struggling to break that area. So to us, that is actually a very nice resistance. So if the market decides to break this area resistance, then above that, we're going to take a very nice buy. Or maybe the market is ready to do what? To give us maybe a retest on this support area before maybe we see another push. I'll be happy actually to wait for a retest for the market to push up again. But if the market is strong, if the market is like seriously strong, obviously there is nothing which is going to stop the market. We might have a resistance here, but it might be way too easier for the market to break that and keep pushing to the upside. Plus, this resistance is just not really that strong, as the market is actually on a bullish momentum. Everyone seems to be willing to do what? To buy. So if that is the case, then we might see the market trying to push the upside, or maybe the market might push lower, and maybe we might have something like this. When the market pushes lower, we will be ready to buy, or if the breakout happens, we will be ready to buy. So we're back on our trading, guys. I hope this week when I have some very winning streak, as we had some few losses last week. But anyways, I hope everyone enjoyed. If you enjoyed, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends. And if you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. You can just WhatsApp me. Now you can just save $250, be part of the team. Don't say I did not give anyone the special. That is the thing that I can only do. You're saving a lot there. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. See you on the next one. Bye.